few days ago, most of you did not know that Mr. Beast got married to his longtime girlfriend. Most of you didn't know about this, and I am here to, wish Mr. Beast, of course, Mr. and Mrs. Beast, a very, very happy married life. Your home is blessed already. You guys' home is blessed already. Yes, it is such a wonderful experience, something to be very, very proud of. Something to be proud of. Yes. You see, in this life, this life is just a gradual process. It's not something we can rush. And a few months back, we saw a video where Mr. Beast posted a video of himself 10 years ago. In that video, he said something that motivated me. He said, if I am still here and I am not up to, did he say 1 million subscribers or 10 million subscribers, that he think he will be a failure or something like that? So now Mr. Beast is in 500 million subscribers. Do you know what that means? A 500 million people is following him on YouTube. Nigeria times 2, the population of Nigeria times 2 is subscribed to his YouTube channel. It's something to be proud of, something to be very, very proud of. Mr. Beast is a mentor to so many people. Mr. Beast inspires so many people. Mr. Beast motivates many people. Mr. Beast is an icon, someone to learn from. He came to YouTube and changed so many things. So, this very moment of his life, I am very, very proud and happy and full of joy that I have come across such a wonderful man in my own lifetime. Are we talking about the people he paid for their school fees, people he sponsored through colleges, people he built houses for, children in Africa he built schools for, feed, clothes, and do so many things, educate thousands of wells he did and built, boreholes, water he built for people in Africa. That is why I am here to say thank you so much. Thank you. Keep on being good. And also extend my greetings to your newly wedded wife, Mr. and Mrs. Beast. God bless you. Congrats once more.